Hi, Igoodsgh here. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9. Let's start by breaking the seal. We now have access inside the box. So the first thing we greeted is with the pamphlet that contains the SIM injector tool and the manual. Let's put that aside. This is the phone, this is the dual SIM. Let's put that aside. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we have a fast charger, which is a USB. And then inside as well, we have this OTG connector. In case you have a USB, you can use this. And then this is the USB connector. If you have a pen drive or something, you want to watch movies, download files, it's good. And then this is the USB to Type-C cable. And this is the AKG earpiece. And that's the only thing we find inside the box. Let's jump right into the phone by sliding it out from the rubber. Super clean. Now this phone is very difficult to get in these modern times. We had to order this a long time ago, and I don't think Samsung is making this phone anymore. We just had opportunity to get this and then make a short video to educate you guys. You can see it's super neat, no scratches around. This was bought through Amazon and we just went to do a quick unboxing. Catch you guys in the next one, and peace out.